Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix network issues on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone, you're facing any kind of network issue, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings app, go to general, go to software update and just try to update your software. After updating your software, go back and try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, simply quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have to be fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issues, this is the perfect way. Just open your settings app and here just go to general. Go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.